Hey there, curious minds. Ready to unlock the secrets of our amazing world? Let's get started. Ever wonder why a bowling ball knocks over all the pins? Or why a big wave pushes you so easily? It's all about momentum. Momentum is the secret oomph or power a moving thing has. It helps things keep going and push other things around. One part of momentum is speed. Even a small thing, like a tiny pebble, can have a lot of oomph if it's super fast. The other part is mass, how heavy something is. A big, heavy snowball can have lots of oomph even if it's moving slowly. When something is both heavy and fast, it has huge momentum. Think of a powerful train barreling down the tracks. That's why bowling balls are champions at knocking over pins. They're heavy, and you roll them fast. Big mass plus big speed equals big momentum. Once something has momentum, it's tough to stop. You need an opposite push or pull, a force, to slow it down. Bikes and cars use brakes to create that stopping force, and a heavy backpack makes it much harder to stop running. When things with momentum crash, that oomph doesn't disappear. It gets shared or transferred to the other object. In Newton's cradle is a cool toy that shows this. Pull one ball and watch its momentum push another ball right out. From a football player sprinting down the field to a baseball bat hitting a home run, momentum is a true sports hero. Roller coasters use momentum. After a big drop, their speed and mass give them enough oomph to zoom up the next hill even without an engine. When you swing high on a playground swing, you build up momentum. That's why you keep swinging back and forth with joy. Momentum is powerful, so always be careful around moving things. A small bike going fast can still give a big bump. So the next time you see something moving with oomph, remember the amazing power of momentum. What other momentum adventures can you spot? If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to Tender Intellects for more such fun videos.